Hello students, today we will start with maths first, and we will start with the first chapter, linear equations in two variables. First of all, see what is a linear. In previous standard you already learnt it. What is linear equation? What is linear equation in two variables? What is simultaneous equation? First we revise it and then we will start our study. So what is linear equations? So first of all, equations means having two sides, left side and right side, and these two sides are separated by equal sign. Here 3a plus 5b equal to 0. This is equation. So equation has two sides. And what is linear equation? Equation which is called as a linear having a variable with index 1 means in an equation, if the index of the variable is 1, then such equations are called as linear equation. Linear means ratio. For example, here 3a plus 5b equal to 26. Here a and b are the variables and power or index of these two variables is 1. When any coefficient, any index or any coefficient was not written, then at that time there is a 1. ज्या वेळेला सहगुणक किंवा घातांक लिहिलेला नसतो त्या वेळेला तो किती असतो? 1 असतो. So linear equation means equation having a variable with index 1, and linear equation in two variables means equation contains two variables with index 1 or with the power 1, called as a linear equation in two variables. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is the general form of linear equation in two. सामान्य रूप आहे. दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणांचे हे सामान्य रूप आहे. ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What are a, b and c? A, b and c are the real number. But one condition is given where a and b are not equal to 0 at the same time or at any time. A आणि b च्या व्हॅल्यू 0 नकोत. का नकोत? When a equal to 0, then this term will be collapsed and equation becomes in one variable. So a and b are not equal to 0 is the condition for linear equation in two variables. What is simultaneous linear equation? Simultaneous means एकाच वेळेला एकसामायिक. आता इथे इक्वेशनच्या बाबत म्हणतोय तर आपण एकसम सायमल्टेनियसली एकाच वेळेला. When we consider two linear equation in two variable at the same time, then we call them as simultaneous linear equations. And how these equations are solved? In previous standard you learned the methods of solving simultaneous linear equation. First method is elimination method. How to eliminate one variable? There are also two methods, by equating the coefficient, and other is by substitution method. So here from our practice set 1.1, question 2. Question 1 is activity based question. You have to solve it. Question number 2, solve the following simultaneous equation. And example number 1. 3a plus 5b equal to 26, and second one is a plus 5b equal to 22. First we have to give number to each equation. 3a plus 5b equal to 26 is the equation number 1. A plus 5b equal to 22 is the equation number 2. And observe equation carefully. Coefficient of any variable are same. See, observe here. 3a plus 5b. Coefficient of b is 5. Here also coefficient of b is 5. So by equating coefficient, already coefficients are equal. So we have to decide how the b is eliminated, by subtracting or by adding. For that purpose we have to think about their signs. Here plus 5b, here also plus 5b. If we added them, then you will get 10b. And if we subtract them, 5b minus 5b, will be cancelled. So by equation 1 minus equation 2 or subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, any you can write. So write equation 1 and 2. एका खाली एक इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 लिहिली आपण. 3a plus 5b equal to 26 आणि त्याच्याच खाली a plus 5b equal to 22. सबट्रॅक्शन करायचंय म्हणून सबट्रॅक्शनची साइन. सो सबट्रॅक्शन मीन्स बाय चेंजिंग द साइन ऑफ द अदर इक्वेशन. अदर इक्वेशन कुठलं आहे? सेकंड इक्वेशन आपण जे करणार आहे त्याच्या साइन चेंज करायच्या. म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो वजाबाकी म्हणजे चिन्ह बदलून बेरीज. So here plus a becomes minus, plus 5b becomes minus 5b and plus 22 becomes minus. And changed signs are taken into consideration. See 3a minus a equal to 2a. 5b will be cancelled. 26 minus 22 equal to 4. Therefore 2a equal to 4. What will be a equal to? A equal to 2. Why? 2 into a. इकडं डिवाइड होणार. 4 by 2 means 2. Now by substituting value of a or a equal to 2 in equation 2, 1 and 2 दोन इक्वेशन आहेत. याच्यामध्ये इझी इक्वेशन किंवा लेस कॅल्क्युलेशन वाले इक्वेशन कुठलं आहे? तर सेकंड नंबरचे, जिथं आपल्याला आकडेमोड कमी करावी लागेल अशा इक्वेशन मध्ये ती व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करायची. You can write also by putting a equal to 2. If you difficult to write substituting, spelling substituting a equal to 2 in equation 2. So write first equation 2, a plus 5b equal to 22. Now place the value of a. A ची value किती आहे? 2. 2 plus 5b equal to 22. Here 2 is plus. So after going to equal side किंवा changing side, plus 2 becomes minus 2. 22 minus 2 equal to 20. 5b equal to 20. Therefore b equal to 5 into a. This will become here divide 20 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. So b equal to 4. So what is answer? See, we will write generally here x, y. But equation in is variables a and b. So write a b equal to, what is the value of a? 2 and value of b? 4. A b equal to 2, 4. Here also comma. 2, 4 is the solution of given equation. This is the answer. In exam, half mark will be cut for this answer. So you have to write answer to each question. Is it clear? Now homework. First you have to solve. First you have to write what is linear equation. When you listen this video, write questions. First read it carefully and then second time you write questions. First linear equation. What is linear equation? Second, what is linear equation in two variables? Third question, what is simultaneous linear equation? Then solve the example. And after that, you have to start practice set 1.1. Question 1 is based on activity. You have to solve it. And I think you will solve. And question number 2, there are 10 examples. Out of this, first is taken here. You try to solve equations like this. Second type will be, we see in next period. Okay, thank you.